I know you're right. Have you ever noticed that cybersecurity awareness is either boring, taught by somebody who acts like they've never met a human, or like some movie trailer? Dark music, green code, a kid in a hoodie. And as it turns out, the industry still never explains how people actually get hacked. See, in 90% of the breaches, it's people that get hacked. Real people, like you and me. Not sophisticated mirror raised and hyper-virtualized systems. People. That's what mostly happens. It happens because it's Tuesday. Someone's busy, coffee hasn't kicked in, and Mrs. Buttermaker over in the third floor cubicle with her 26 Chrome browser tabs open is clicking on links like it's an Olympic sport. We're calling on the industry to do one thing. Stop giving bad advice. Most breaches come down to two main things. Someone gets socially engineered, meaning manipulated, or something didn't get patched. So we're joining a growing list of security leaders in an open letter that's on hack lore, asking the industry to stop giving bad advice. Fear-based cyber messaging and cybersecurity training does not make anyone safer. It makes them paralyzed or bored. And bored people don't become vigilant, they become apathetic. And apathy is a good way to have a data breach. So slow down before clicking, verify the truth before doing anything against your interests, and patch your systems on time. That's not exciting, but it works. See, cybersecurity doesn't fail because people are stupid. It fails because the industry teaches them to fear the wrong thing. If this hasn't pissed you off, consider following us. And if you're feeling cool and kind, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. This is Cybercrime Junkies.